It's our first Christmas together.
It's our first Christmas together.
Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Kimberly D, as you can clearly see below. And today I'm sitting here with Mr. Claus. And he is my little baby, my little Semi Claus. His name is Simba. And he's trying to go to sleep. But it's time for him to wake up. Because what? It's Christmas! Wake up, Santa. Santa Claus. You sleepy shit on. I'm waiting for him to slap me. He's sleepy and annoyed because I got him this little Santa Claus suit. Honestly, this was the only time I could get him in this damn Santa Claus suit because he never lets me put it on, ever. So I'm trying to get like all the little cute pictures I can right now, you know, like with my Semi Claus because he doesn't go for it. My cat hates me, you guys. Ouch. Okay, I'll take you out of the suit if you be nice to me for just a second. Come on, man. Hey you guys, I'm Kimberly B, as you can clearly see below, and on today's Vlogmas episode, I will be, the cat's ready to eat his food, that's why he's going crazy, but this is Simba, and I'm gonna feed him. I know, this is what he is, this is what it looks like, and today I am making a, okay, I gotta give him his food. Back to it, and today basically, you know, it's the holiday season. I figured, you know, they always have cute pet clothes, but I found a really cute video, and basically they were saying how you can make a little cat sweater out of a sock. So today I went to the dollar store, picked up these dollar socks, and yeah, you like my onesie, by the way, kitty themed as well. So of course, as I stated, you'll just need a pair of socks. I mean, you could give your cat old socks if you want, but we got him some new ones. We also got these little Santa ones too. Like I had got an extra pair just in case. Let me turn this lighting down. But I got an extra one just in case I accidentally messed up on the first one. But these have the little Santa Claus and they're burgundy, but these ones are blue and red, and I thought they were cute. So getting right to it. We're going to go ahead and cut the front of the sock off first. Basically where somebody's feet would go. There you go. And then next, over here in this little pocket, you're not going to cut the edge, but you're just going to cut the sides. So I'm kind of folding it a little bit. And I'm cutting, and it looks like I'm cutting like more of it, but I'm really just cutting like a little hole right there. And I'm also going to go ahead and cut the other way as well. And then lastly, you'll just cut off, oops, let me see. Let me show y'all what I did because I feel like I didn't get a good angle. Okay, yeah, that's better. So I cut the little hole, and then now I'm going to cut the end off of the sock. All right. So there you have that, and then basically from there you can fold this edge. They said as well that you could basically sew the edges if you want, but we're not going to do all that today. So I'm excited to see if this thing will actually fit Simba. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so we have our little sock outfit, and we have Mr. Sim right here eating some food, but will you let us pause for a second? Just a second? Simba. Okay, let's see. I don't know if it's gonna fit him. He's getting big right now because he's eating all this food. I'm gonna have to wait a couple minutes, I see, to try it on him. So I'll just come back later because he is not gonna let me put a little outfit on him while he's trying to eat his food.
You could have put that in a bone.
Ew. Simba. 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 Dum, 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 dum. Alright, so here's the kitty. He has eaten, went to the bathroom, all the good stuff. So say hi, kitty. Hey, everybody. Alright, so let's see if it'll fit. I don't think he wants to wear it already. I'm just trying to see if it fits. It might be a little too tight because he's honestly bigger than I thought he was. Ready, set, go. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't think so. Look, no, I thought he was little enough for this. Yeah, I'm not even about to continue trying to put this on him. So this is the final ending result. Huh?
Turn red.
Don't say that. He is not turning red. Nuh-uh, don't say that. I'm trying to help you take it off. Okay, guys, so at the end of the day, no, Simba cannot fit this. I thought he was little, but I guess not. He's too big now. Maybe like a month ago he could fit it, but yeah. So, I mean, he does have this little Santa Claus outfit though. But this is for sure too big for him. But what I have to do is like twist it, you know, clean fit, and then from there he's able to fit it. So I can see if he'll let me put this on him. Come here, Sim. He is not cooperating. Let me see. Ouch, ouch. Okay, Sim. Okay, I'll take it off. Okay. Look. So this is the Santa Claus outfit on him. This one's too big, and then the one I made is too small. So that is the end of it, basically. Ain't that right, Sam? So basically, at this point, we're vlog style with it. Trying to make him an outfit did not work out at all. So I'm kind of disappointed. But he's still cute, and you can see him play. Simba. Okay.